All I've wanted to do all my life is play the flute. Maybe if I click this link and register for band, I'll find that ability.
Now entering the band portal.
Where am I? I feel so different. I think... Wait, yeah. I'm a flute player. I've seen this before. I know what to do. I'm gonna take this case. I'm gonna make sure that the name is facing up. I'm gonna unlatch it. I see 3 parts. This is the head joint. The head joint is gonna connect to the body using this end and gradually twisting together until just a little bit of the unfinished portion of the flute is showing, and the keys are lined up with the tone hole here to here. I know there's another part. This must be the foot joint. It's going to connect to the other end of the flute, twisting together, and I'm going to align the rod with the middle of the keys, not like this, but like this. I have this knowledge. The flute is assembled. I'm ready to move on.